Welcome to our guide on resolving Messenger crashing issues on your PC. If you're encountering crashes while using Messenger, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. To begin, start by refreshing the Messenger web page. This simple step can often resolve minor glitches and ensure you have the most up-to-date version of Messenger. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For detailed instructions on how to do this, we recommend visiting your browser's support website. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing conflicts with Messenger. If the crashing persists, try logging out of Messenger desktop and then logging back in. Sometimes, a fresh login can resolve underlying issues that are causing the crashes. Another helpful step is to restart your device. Turn off your PC, wait for about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. This can clear out temporary system glitches that might be affecting Messenger's performance. If the issue continues, consider trying to connect to a different network or using mobile data. Sometimes, the problem may be related to your current network connection. If none of these steps have resolved the crashing problem, don't hesitate to contact Messenger support for further assistance. They can offer specialized help to diagnose and fix the issue. Lastly, always ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. By following these steps diligently, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix Messenger crashing problems on your PC, allowing you to enjoy seamless communication without interruptions.